Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP DesignJet Z9 Plus printer on your Windows PC, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to just search for HP DesignJet Z9 Plus support. One of the best results should come back with an HP support page. It says HP DesignJet Z9 Plus PostScript printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath the support category, select software and drivers. And then scrolling down, you want to expand the driver section and select the HP DesignJet and PageWide XL Windows Printer Driver Installer. Go ahead and download that item and then open up that file once it's done. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then at this time, you may want to make sure your printer is already connected to your Wi-Fi. So go on the printer settings and have it connected to your network credentials. So put them in there on the printer itself. If you're going to be using the wireless feature of the printer, which you can see now it's scanning your network. If you're not using a wireless connection or can't locate it that way, the next steps are going to be either you're going to have a plug-and-play option or you're going to manually install the drivers, which we'll briefly walk into with today's tutorial once this prompt has concluded. So you can add the printer manually if it's not found on your network, or you can add it via USB cable, and then you just would select next and follow through the on-screen wizard here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.